Hi friends, welcome back to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. Today we are creating three variations of a paper Christmas tree. This is a super easy project, and if you have some scrapbooking cardstock paper or design paper, it would turn out even more pretty. I'm using handmade paper for its unique texture and stiffness in shades of pink, blue and green. To design the body of the tree, ideally it would be best to fold the paper in a semicircular shape and hot glue the edges. However, since I was using a squarish paper, what I got is an irregular base, like you can see, which eventually I had to just cut it off. I just pressed on there and I cut that part off. The green sheet, however, was quite thick, so I used clothespins to hold it together after hot gluing it, like here. Once the body was ready, the best part begins, which is embellishing them. I use slight variations in dressing them up. Because the green paper already had speckles of gold printed on them, I gave it a sober and elegant border with this gold beaded trim. I ran this trim of white beads around the sky blue paper, gluing only on the top and at the end of the tree. However, since the pink shade was slightly darker than the others, I hot glued an ivory colored lace all around the base of the cone, as well as a small strip on the top side of the cone. Then I hot glued medium-sized pearls randomly on the tree. You can place the trees on their base, or you can use either ends of these glasses to hold your trees for elevation. And with that, our super easy Christmas trees are ready. Do let me know which one is your favorite. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit a like and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Please press the bell icon and get notification to my latest videos. Please be safe and have a lovely week.